the Ward, Grand Velas, Riviera Resort.
Sign it. Sign.
This you just need to sign.
Juice taste good.
So cool, guys. Look, there's lily pads. And do you know there's also monkeys and parrots here? It's so amazing. So cool. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Button right here, just push it down.
Welcome to our hotel room. There's like a coffee bar here and I don't know what's in here, but there's bathroom in here. This is a vanity. Wait, oh, and this connects to the room. So you can bath and also take a bed nap, I guess. Whoa, this is so cool.
Wait, let's take our shoes off.
And then, you know what you can do? Something called flip-flop. Feels like heaven. It's so exciting. How am I supposed to take this on in one day?
So we have to go to the shuttle.
Shuttle this way.
Well, let's see what's here. We have the spa, kids club,
It's
Chaka,
another restaurant.
yeah. Transportation straight.
Yes.
And the pool is this way, piscina. So
We're
we
learning
can,
Spanish, y'all.
we can check out the pool later on.
Piscina. I'm gonna go to piscina. Woo! Is that
Money plant.
Yeah.
All money plant.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Oh, this is very nice, isn't it?
Chaka and Sin are family restaurants. Family. Chaka and Sin. Chaka is located in Sin. The third option is Dracula. That's correct, Chaka and Sin. It's a really good place.
Nice. This is my lunch. Looks very healthy. Okay, so this is what we got for lunch. Shea, what did you get?
sushi? But I already ate it and a salad. With some
Nice,
grits.
nice. And mom got some avocado and guac. And I got a mix of a lot of stuff.
This is like a vegan type of jello.
With raspberry and blueberry.
Oh, half of a blueberry. And this is carrot cake with a cute carrot design on top.
So we just finished
Okay.
swimming. Are you sure?
Yeah. beach with sharks in it.
Oh, do you see the coconuts? Coconuts. That's those are the ocean view rooms. Yeah, but look at the view.
Can I right now?
Not right now, we need to change our clothes. So basically it says there's a red flag. Conditions are not favorable, so you shouldn't enter. So it looks like we can't enter the beach now. But wow, this looks beautiful. Yeah, I'm recording. Oh, look at the sand. Wow. You can't enter the water today because the waves are too high. Oh, is that natural land? Yeah, it looks like that's... Not sure. Very nice. Yeah. This is berry. I'll take this. This pineapple in it.
This one is very good. This is with pineapple and passion fruit. This is only berries, strawberry, pineapple juice, and coconut cream. Straw?
Passion fruit.
You like
From the coffee shop, I got a cheesecake, and we're heading back. Yep. Okay, we're back at our lobby. I think it was straight ahead.
Kind of breadstick.
Don't think so, but you can try it.
No one can take. No.
I got some fish. Actually, I got
Fried rice with chicken.
fried
and
rice
veggies.
with chicken.
Mm.
Parents got chicken something. Just got our room service.
It looks delicious. So it seems like we got 5 boiled eggs. Some, I guess, grilled cheese. And maybe that's potato. Yeah, that's potato.
It's like dessert.
And no, that's like cheese, corn chip with beans. And I don't know, like something. That looks like butter and some fruit with waffles. And the same thing right here. This is strawberry, this is cranberry, this I believe is maybe watermelon, I'm not sure.
Grapefruit maybe?
Yeah, grapefruit probably. And this is pineapple. This
Some
is
berries.
whipped cream, this is like some chili sauce. More fruit and some butter, I guess. It's New Zealand butter.
And
Ooh,
some
that's
fruits.
fancy. And yeah, we also got some croissant and plain bread with
I think that's it.
jam and
Yeah.
maple syrup.
So are you excited for today?
Yes, this looks delicious.
I like the view.
Yeah, you can go to back also.
But the pool is very nice. What's up here?
Now, the weather has gotten a bit chill, but look at the trees. They're so pretty. Let's take a closer look. It's giving me a side eye. Is that normal? How's your experience here so far? How's your experience here so far?
Very nice place.
You can explore these boats.
Yeah, it's a very nice place. Looks very good. We have a guest sleeping. No, don't wake up.
Oh, it's so cute, but it's very, very dangerous, y'all. It eats snakes and is aggressive, so.
I'm. No, don't wake it up. Oh no.
It's so cute, bro.
No, you guys. Close the curtain. Close the curtain.
Don't forget your water. And comfortable shoes everything will take place on the beach. Again, resort casual attire is recommended. Casual attire,
Oh, it's climbing out. Yep. It's a fabulous day.
Have a fabulous day.
It looks beautiful. Look at the ocean.
I almost fell.
You almost fell? This is our appetizers for dinner.
Cheers!
Thank you. Okay, we just got dessert. Looks beautiful. Okay, so today is day 3.
How's everything? Good? Yeah. వచ్చేసాను. చెప్తే బిస్ట్రో ఉంది గ్రాండ్లో అంట, ఇట్లయితే గ్రాండ్ అంట. అక్కడ పూల్ వేరే ఉంది, రెస్టారెంట్ ఇది సూపర్ ఉంది కదా.
Oh, hi.
అదే పరిస్థితి కోసం వచ్చిన ఫుడ్ పెట్టి
అయ్యో అదెందుకు
మర్చిపోయిందాక ఈ కొత్త ఇంట్లో కూడా వచ్చింది. అదేంటి ఫుడ్ ఉంటే వస్తామే. మేము చిప్స్ ప్యాకెట్ బయట తీసుకెళ్ళచ్చు.
తినవురా
తీసుకో వెజ్ చెందుతాను.
I took a photo earlier before. Oh, it's so cute. I want to pet it. Can I pet it?
No, no. It's a small little.
How did they even get up there?
Gorgeous. There's a beach over there, and here I think we're just.
రెడ్ లైన్ అంట, రెడ్ లైన్. ఇది బ్లాక్ లైన్ వెళ్ళి లాస్ట్లో రెడ్ లైన్. అలలకి
This is mom's food. dad's food. This is what my sister got. And this is my food. It's like a cruise ship in the distance.
We're in the grand pool. Look at the palm trees. You know what would be crazy? If a coconut.
Raccoons.
There's still more coming.
Raccoon? I think it's a raccoon.
Don't put the flashlight on.
They're looking for
Do you have the card?
They're looking for us. They smell us.
This
They smell us.
Wait, I'm scared. What if they eat us? I'm just kidding.
Red bag kada. Red bag hai na.
Where is it? We just got our soup, Mom. And actually, yeah, we also got strawberry juice.
Thanks for your visit from on behalf of IBI DMC Caribe, and thank you for souvenirs or something you want to give back to your family or friends, all right? Or your boss. No, just kidding. Okay, so